Moderna jumped 6% today after the FDA released positive briefing documents for their mRNA-based flu shot. The stock has gone from $22 to $55 in 1 year, up 113%. It is still losing money. We ran the FSR. The score is 54.5%. Here's what that means. Moderna built its name on COVID mRNA vaccines. Now they're expanding into flu shots, RSV, cancer treatments, rare diseases, 35 candidates in clinical studies. They just restructured leadership to prepare for multiple product launches in 27 and 28. Today, the FDA released positive briefing documents ahead of a key vaccine meeting. The market reacted immediately. The stock hit a new intraday high of 57.79. 1 year daily data, FSR score 54.5%, Rolling FSR 90%. Price started the year around $26, grinded sideways between 22 and 35 for roughly the first 5 months, then broke out hard, crossing above the yearly average of $37 and running all the way to $55. That breakout started around interval 120 and has been the dominant trend since. 54.5% overall FSR on a stock up 113% in a year. That number makes sense when you look at the full chart. The first half of the year was flat and choppy, no trend. The second half was a strong directional move. When you average those two different periods together, you get a moderate overall score. The rolling FSR at 90% tells you the second half has been structured. The 73% dip around 145 was the deepest disruption of the year. Price wobbled, then recovered and kept climbing. Here's the data tension. Stock at $55. Analyst average target 43. Bank of America has it rated underperform with a $34 target. The company is losing money. EPS negative $8.14, trailing 12 months, but the market is pricing in the pipeline. 35 clinical programs, FDA momentum, and an mRNA platform that proved itself globally. FSR doesn't resolve that tension. It just tells you the trend has been real and increasingly structured over the past 6 months. Earnings are July 31st. We'll run the pre-earnings FSR before that report. Full tool at predictability-api.com. Link is in the description. Breakdowns happen all the time. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.